everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I am bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for August 9th to August 15th. Now, as I can see on this ad, in the last couple weeks they've had it where they're temporary pausing the physical ad in the stores because they didn't give a reason, but I know it's because of COVID. Well, this does not say that it's not there anymore, so they might be bringing back the physical ads, I think, after so many people complained. I am not sure, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Now, they do have school supplies. They got crayons, glue, 49 cents. They got the really good pencils, from what I've heard, for 99 cents, which it looks like it's a 10-pack. Papermate and Fiskars pencil sharpeners for 99 cents. So if you guys have a lot of points or register rewards that you guys need to use up and get some school supplies, go for it. I don't know what to use for school supplies right now because of the whole school shutdown thing. So I'm waiting to see what we need, but I can always use crayons. Now, they do have some Kellogg's cereal for $1.99, and then there should be a 50-cent off digital coupon. Otherwise, in the 8-2 Retail Me Not, we did get some $1 off of 2 coupons. Now, you guys can pay $1.49, or you would pay $2.98 for 2 of them, but then you can also submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards to get points. Plus, they're doing the free box. Free books. I'm maxed out on my books, but you can still get points. So, wanted to share with you guys on that. Now, they have Dove body wash, $5.99, and then there's going to be a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $7.98, but then you get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them, so it comes out to be $3.99. Now, it looks like we are getting men's body wash for $2 off coupons. So you guys would end up paying $5.98. You get 2,000 points. It comes out to be, I think, just $3.98, so $2 a piece. So I'm going to definitely try to check that deal out and see if we can get a good deal on Dove body wash. Now, the Crest Toothpaste is $3. You guys want to buy 2 of them. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3, but then you get a $3 register reward back, so making it pretty much free. Ajax, look at that. It's on sale for 99 cents. At my stores, it's regular priced $1, so you are saving 1 penny for that laundry detergent. That is a great deal. Then we got Tide and Downy for $2.99. There's gonna be a $1 off digital coupon, making it $1.99. And then they have Scott's paper towels and toilet paper, $1.25 with the Walgreens coupon. Now, some of the lately there's been some digital coupons popping up. I have yet to check. I just have so much paper products, I don't really need it, but I keep forgetting to check to share with you guys on that deal in case you want to stock up on paper products, since now finally things are dying down. They have soda 3 for $9.99. That's $3.33 a piece, or they have the buy the 2 get 1 free. Not the greatest deal. Wait a little bit, you could probably get a deal. Now, they do have some Tide and Bounty for $4.99, and then when you buy 2 of them, you get a $3 register reward. So you guys, depends on what kind of coupons there is to use. Let's just say there is no coupons. You would pay $10, but then you get $3 back. It comes out to be just $7 or $3.50. So hopefully we can find some digitals for that. L'Oreal makeup is going to be buy 1, get 1 50% off. I do know we had some printable coupons that we could have used. You guys might have got some coupons in your inserts. And then there is also a Walgreens coupon. This is one of my favorite foundations, so I'm going to try to get that deal because I like to get stuff like that. Now, here they got the 10 times everyday points when you spend $20 or more. So usually you get 10 points for every $1 that you spend. This time you'll get 100 points for every $1 that you spend. But you get those points if you do not pay with points. I know it's kind of weird. But this is actually going to go through August 22nd. So it's going to be for 2 weeks is that deal for this 10 times everything. So make sure you clip it to your card. Now, here we got some food deals. Nothing really popping out at me, but I always find more stuff as I'm shopping in the store. More food deals. Yes. Now, here they got some candy for 69 cents. Looks like the Nestle brand, so I'm pretty excited because I like to get some Nerds for 69 cents. And look at you guys, candy corn. If you are a candy corn, it says Brock's or Trolley candy corn. Halloween candy's coming out, you guys. That's the best time of it all. Halloween candy. Then we got some Purex. I know there was some coupons out there, but this is a $2 off digital coupon, making them $5.99. The nice sandwich bags, whatever bags are buy one, get two free. So they usually are $2.79. You guys will get two of them free. They come out to be just 93 cents a piece. I don't know why I get so tired when I do these. But here we got the Renews-Its and Snuggle for 89 cents. Now there is going to be a digital coupon for buy 4, you get 2 free. Now watch your receipts, you guys. I've noticed several people say it only takes off 1. Otherwise, we are getting some inserts in this Retail Me Not that we're getting this weekend. So basically, you guys, you would end up paying $3.56. But then there's a deal that just popped up on Ibotta for $2 off of 5. That's an awesome deal. So you guys would get all 6 of them for $1.56 or just 26 cents a piece. Awesome deal. Now, here's a deal that is regional. Not everybody does this deal, but it looks like there's Domino's, Taco Bell, Burlington, or Foot Locker. Now, if you guys have this deal in your area, definitely do it. If you need gift cards for like Christmas this year or anything, or your kids are going to college and they need food cards, definitely go ahead and do this deal. So it looks like, I don't know about the Foot Locker and the Burlington, but with Taco Bell and Domino's, you can actually buy a $15 gift card. You can mix and match depending on what you guys want, but you want to buy 2 $15 gift cards. You would pay $30, but then you get a Walmart gift card for $10. So you basically you would pay $30 to get $40 worth of stuff. So $10 for Walgreens and $30 for Taco Bell, Domino's. So definitely do that. My husband is obsessed with Taco Bell, so that would be a good deal for me to get him for our anniversary, because our anniversary is in October. So might do that, might do that. My favorite deal is when Netflix happens, because I always like to do that. Now they have a lot of back to school stuff. They have some big pens and pencils for $1.49. Then there's going to be $1 off a 2 digital coupon. You guys would pretty much get them for $1 a piece. And then they got some other things that are buy one, get one 50% off. Backpacks are buy one, get one free. They got some other supplies for 49 cents. Locker stuff, buy one, get one free. Highlighters, erasers, rulers, pencils are 5 for $1. We got some other stuff for 79 cents. Graphing pads, sheet protectors, $1.99. Rubber bands, $1.99. Now we're into the personal care products. Nexus is, if you spend $20, you get 10,000 points. Now we do have those $5 off printable coupons that we got for the last couple weeks, if you guys can do that. Dial, I can't remember what I just saw. Actually, let me check, you guys. I forgot the deal already. So Dial, where did I read that? Dial for men and body wash is going to be buy one, get one free. So the Dial body wash is $3.49, and then we're getting buy one, get one free. So you guys would get 2 bottles for $3.49. That's like $1.75, I think, for a piece, if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Maybe. Pretty excited for that. I never get Dial coupons, but that's a pretty good deal. So, yes. Okay, they got Colgate Toothpaste, $3.99. We are getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $6.97, but then you get 5,000 points when you buy 3. Comes up to be just $1.97 or 65 cents a piece. Schick razors, if you spend $25 or more, you get 10,000 points. Venus and Gillette, you get, if you spend $25 or more, you get $5 in register rewards, and there's $2 off and $4 off coupons. So yes, we got the Crest gum detoxify. Now there might be some deals that pop up for more digital coupons, but they're $6.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you'd pay $13.98, but then you get 5,000 points when you buy 2. Comes out to be $8.98. So hopefully there's some digitals that pop up for that. Then we're in the medicines and the vitamins. Nothing really ever is really like hardcore about this stuff, but in case you guys need some, go for it. And I'm sorry for yawning. I'm just boring myself. I'm not trying to bore you guys, but yeah. And that is it. So that is the Walgreens ad for the 9th through the 15th. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all on Sunday. Bye-bye.